Hello all you amazing people, it is Riley here with another video. If you're a Miata owner, you know crank wobble sucks. And yeah, I have a case of the crank wobble, and I'm going to be using this to go and try to fix it. I've only seen one other person go and try to fix crank wobble with it. They didn't even give results because it's an engine out of the car. But I'm hoping it works. It may not, or we're going to give it a shot. Okay, so now take your crank bolt and get a good little amount of, I'm personally using orange string thread locker, and now we're ready to install the bolt. And now we torque the bolt down. I'm personally torquing it to 120 pound-foot. So, now that everything is on and it is complete, the crank wobble is completely gone. It's kind of hard to show on camera, but there is no more crank wobble. We went from chucking belts every single event to no crank wobble at all. I don't know how it is going to hold up against the test of time. It could start crank wobbling tomorrow, but for now crank wobble is gone, and I do have hope in it. So, if you do have a broken keyway or a messed up keyway on your Miata, I do suggest getting one of these crank savers. They're about 70 bucks, and it was, in my opinion, 70 bucks well spent. I definitely spent over $70 on parts to fix it in between belts themselves and time. I've spent a lot of time trying to fix this, and nothing was working until this, and I really didn't have faith, but it did work. So, but I do hear if you have the short nose crank that it will not work. So buy at your own risk if you have a short nose crank car that has crank wobble. But if you do have the messed up keyway, I would definitely recommend it. And I hope you guys have all enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.